In today's video, I will do an in-depth review of one of the most popular firms in the industry, funding pips. I'll summarize and rate all the key factors in the following sections, which are all timestamped for your convenience. In the overview section, we will take a look at the firm's operations, platform options, and trust ranking. Next, in the trading cost section, I take a look at the trading fees for forex pairs, indices, as well as the swap fees. Then we will take a look at the challenge options, prices, difficulty, and overall value. Following that, we will look at payment options, profit splits, scaling, and merging policies. In the rules section, we cover drawdown rules, news, weekend, and other restrictions, as well as fine print that traders need to be aware of. Finally, in the summary section, we will take a look at all the pros and cons for the firm, rate the firm according to our tier ranking system, and I also share my personal recommendation when it comes to this firm. So let's jump in. Funding Pips is a firm based in the United Arab Emirates. It offers 3 trading platforms: CTrader, MatchTrader, and TradeLocker. Unfortunately, MetaTrader is not an option. Good news for US traders, this firm does accept clients from the US. However, you are limited to the TradeLocker or MatchTrader platforms. Using Trustpilot as a guideline, this firm has been operational since around November 2022. At the time of recording, it has over 17,000 reviews with a trust rating of 4.4. Given the Trustpilot reviews and its operational duration, our trust score calculation for this firm is 8.0 out of 10. This score places the firm in Tier 2 according to our trust scale. For more information on our tier ranking system or to find out which firms are the most trustworthy, you can visit our website. When it comes to trading cost, I analyzed the spread, commissions, and swap fees on the Euro, Yen, and Swiss franc majors, as well as the 3 main US indices. I calculated an average spread score for the forex pairs, as well as the indices, and also a swap score. I have done this across 9 different firms I have live accounts with for comparison, and I plan to do further analysis in the future. Comparing these figures, you can see that Funding Pips has the best trading cost on forex pairs and decent spread as well on the indices. The swap fees are less appealing, but as you will see in a minute, this is not really the firm for swing trading anyway. But overall, this firm scores very high in terms of trading costs. Funding Pips offers 1-step, 2-step, 2-step pro, and instant funding challenge options. I have analyzed the price, requirements, and funding margin of these options to calculate a value score for comparison. On the right, you can see that the standard 2-step challenge offers by far the best value. This is the one I will recommend and the one I will use in the rest of this review when calculating the firm's value and comparing it to the other firms. This challenge comes in options from $5,000 up to $100,000, and you can see the challenge prices at the time of recording here. Using these challenge fees, I can calculate a price score for this firm, which comes in at 82. Keep in mind 100 is the industry average and a lower figure is better. On the right, you can see how it compares to the other firms in the industry. Funding Pips offers some of the cheapest challenges in the industry, and it ranks at Tier 1 when it comes to challenge cost. Before we can calculate the challenge value, we also need to take a look at the challenge difficulty. The challenge requirements for this firm is on par with the easiest challenge requirements currently in the industry, and this also places it at Tier 1 for challenge difficulty. With such a low price score and difficulty score, it is no surprise that this firm also ranks at Tier 1 when it comes to challenge value. The value rating for this firm is 9.3 out of 10 and offers one of the highest challenge values in the industry, a very positive sign for this firm. Now let's jump to the payout section. Funding Pips has recently changed to a very unique payout structure. You have the option of getting paid weekly and getting a 60% profit split, bi-weekly and getting 80% profit share, or monthly but getting 100% of the profit share. Now, if you are like me trading multiple accounts with multiple firms, the monthly payout option is the best since you can move on to other accounts once one is in profit and the waiting time is irrelevant. If, for example, you have $2,000 profit, you will get the full amount compared to just $1,600 or $1,200 on the other 2 options. The 60% weekly option just seems like a complete rip-off to me and a little sneaky by this firm, to be quite honest. But I will rank this firm as if it pays you monthly and you will get 100% of the profit share. You can request payouts via Rise, which supports crypto and bank transfer payments. If you are from a country that doesn't support Rise, your only option is to be paid in crypto. Traders can also request payouts under $500 directly through crypto and can skip processing through Rise. Unfortunately, Funding Pips does not offer challenge fee refunds or profit share on the challenge phases. Funding Pips does allow merging up to $300,000. Just keep in mind you can only merge accounts from the same program. Funding Pips also has a scaling plan. Every 4 successful payout requests with an account increase of at least 10% gets you scaled up. You will receive a 20% increase in your capital as well as a 1% increase in your drawdown limit, which essentially counts as another 10% margin. So call it 30% scaling. Here is a diagram of the scaling plan if you would like to pause the video. Just keep in mind that opting for the monthly payouts will severely impact the speed at which you can scale, but you are already getting paid much more with the monthly option than if you opted for one of the other options. Funding Pips offers 100-to-1 leverage on the 2-step model. This leverage is reduced to 50-to-1 on the 1 and 3-step programs. This should be enough leverage for most traders. There are no time limit on challenges other than the 30-day inactivity rule. The 5% max daily drawdown rule is based on the highest value between your equity and your account balance. This is one of very few negatives for this firm. This essentially means the firm is not ideal for swing traders. During the challenge phases, there are no restrictions on news trading, but once you move to a live account, things are different. Any profit gained from trades opened or closed a full 5 minutes before or after high impact news will not count. Your trades will be closed and you will forfeit that profit. Any losses, however, will stay. This rule also counts for stop loss and take profit triggers unless the trade was opened more than 5 hours prior to the news. Holding over the weekend is allowed but not recommended in any case. Like most firms, certain expert advisors are allowed but not hedging, arbitrage, stick scalping or high frequency trading strategies. There is also a 3% max loss per trade rule that you need to be aware of. And splitting a trade into multiple smaller trades won't work as they still count as one big trade, so be careful. While we are on the topic of risk management, if you are looking to trade with this firm, be sure to check out the Risk On Trade tool for CTrader. It comes in 2 options, a light version that works like our Easy Order EA and helps you place trades based on the preset risk that you define, either in percentage or in dollar terms, and a full version which also has plenty of awesome trade management functions. You can find the info on our website. The link is in the video description. Now let's have a quick look at all the pros and cons for this firm. On the positive side, the firm offers low challenge fees, easy 2-step challenge requirements, excellent challenge value, and very low trading fees, especially on forex pairs. There are no time limits in challenges, and both expert advisors and merging are allowed. A scaling plan is available, and you can receive 100% profit share if you are prepared to wait. On the downside, the daily drawdown rule is not suitable for swing traders, and a significant 10-minute window restricts news trading. There are also no challenge fee refunds upon passing a challenge. Despite the negatives, I believe that the excellent challenge value and very low trading costs makes Funding Pips a top recommendation for day traders. For swing traders, however, there could be better options. Considering all the factors discussed and based on my personal experience of receiving many payouts without any issues, I see no reason not to rank this firm as a tier 1 option. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or firms you would like me to review, drop them in the comment section. Hitting like and subscribe would help our channel and notify you of future videos. Our affiliate link is in the description if you would like to join this firm and support our channel at the same time. Thanks for watching and all the best in your trading journeys.